Guys, it's Gideon and welcome back to my channel. Now before we get started, I just want to mention that these lashes are in the style Kaya. You already know what to do. These are my brand lashes and I will be leaving the link in the description box at gideonbeautysupply.co. Don't forget to follow my socials and check that out. Alright, let's get into the video. So right now I'm kind of in a bit of a rush right now. I'm not going anywhere important, but I did want to do a wig review with you guys. So I'm gonna, get ready as I record. So I'm going to get a wisdom teeth constellation because I've been having one of my teeth in the back has been messing with me. So I'm going to that appointment today. But like I said, I know I'm using the wrong brush or whatever, but I couldn't find the highlight brush. And like I said before, I am in a rush right now. So I'm trying to hurry up, do what I gotta do before people start busting into my room talking about something. Why are you not ready? Why are you not ready? Like, I hate being rushed. Use like a little bit more. Okay, so I already did my makeup, as you can tell. I already put foundation, so like you already know, I already did all that. So now we're gonna be getting to the hair real quick. And then as we get into the hair, maybe we could get into my lips at the same time to finish and complete the look. By the way, I do have a shirt on. It looks like I don't have a shirt on, but I do have a shirt on. So today's wig is gonna be from Beauty Forever Hair. I'm gonna be leaving your links in the description box for your socials, all that good stuff. So the wig came in this box and I was shocked, I'm not gonna lie, because I did get like little small gifts that they sent me for free with my hair. They sent me an edge brush, which is like double edge. It has like a comb and the brush part. I don't know what this is, but I think this is like an edge wrap to like wrap your edges when you're like, doing the hair. Then I also got a wig cap that doesn't match my skin tone, but we're not gonna talk about that. And then I also got an eyelash curler. I don't really use eyelash curlers. They scare me actually. So I don't know if I'm gonna use that, but I'm definitely gonna be, I don't know. But let's get into the wig part because y'all already saw the good stuff. Now, I didn't do anything to the wig. It is right here. I only applied lace tint spray. By the way, if you wonder where I got the lace tint spray from, it is the First Class lace tint spray in the color brown. It's a little bit washed out because I've had it for a while. So I'm gonna be trying on the wig. I'm not gonna do all that crazy stuff where I plug. I can't do that today. I am on a crunch time, y'all. I probably got like 10 minutes left to get ready. So we're gonna have to put the wig on, see what we could do, and see how we can pull it off. Now, as you can see, my cornrows are fresh. They're way flatter than last time. I'm not gonna be doing the bald cap method. I have yet to do that on my channel. The day I do that though, it's gonna be crazy because I'm so scared and hesitant to do it because I feel like I'm gonna mess up. Like I said, it's not gonna be like your regular thing. I'm just gonna put the wig on. By the way, this is what kind of wig is this? It's is it a 4x4? Yeah, this is a 4x4 lace wig. The price, I'm gonna leave the price along the screen because I really don't remember what it was. It was not that expensive though. I'm gonna assume it was like $130 for 20 inches. So this is a 20-inch wig, and it stops it stops to down there. So I thought it was long for a 20-inch wig. I don't know what I was expecting. I've never had a 20-inch wig before. I've only had 24-inch wigs, 22-inch wigs, 16-inch. I've never had an actual 20-inch wig before. So I'm not gonna lie, it surprised me, it caught me off guard. It is long for a 20-inch wig. Also, the hair quality is amazing, guys. The hair is so soft. I'm so excited to work with it because it's soft, it's nice. I'm messing with it. I love the color. It is giving me fall vibes. And I know from my last video, you guys are like, oh my gosh, shut up with the fall vibes thing. But I can't. This is a whole fall season look. This is cute. So it's brown underneath, right? And then the highlights are on top. So right now I'm just gonna go in with a hot comb to push some of the hair back. And another thing, it takes heat really well. I could just tell. It takes heat extremely well. Okay, so this is what the parting space looks like. It's okay for a parting space. It could be, giving me a little more. I forgot to mention that I did apply the lace tint spray already, so it's doing what it's gotta do. So now I'm gonna like, you get my got to be glue the lace down. You know, I feel like when it's a full lace wig, you can apply like ghost bond and all that stuff. But if it's like a 4x4, you do not need like a bunch of crazy glue. Like you don't need all that. That's not what I'm gonna do. And this wig like takes heat like very, very well. Okay, so now I'm gonna glue it down. I got the got to be glue right here. I'm gonna wait for the glue to dry, then I'm gonna tie it down, untie it, and then we're gonna get into the wig for real. All right, you guys, so I tied down the lace and I was doing my lips. So I'm gonna like leave on the edge thing for like 3 more minutes, and then I'm gonna take it off, cut the lace, and then do what we gotta do. Okay, you guys, so I removed the headband thing. Now we're gonna be cutting the lacy lace. Now, I don't like cutting it in the middle. People do. I don't know why. Let's try it though, because I really don't know why y'all like cutting it in the middle. I don't know what that means. To me, that's a little bit confusing. I'm probably gonna have to go off mirror though, because I really can't see what I'm doing through here. Okay, you guys, so I have successfully cut the lace, and this is what it looks like up close. It's still drying. As for the middle part, I'm gonna put some foundation in the middle, but if I have to be honest, if I have to give my honest review, out of all the wigs I've ever had in my entire life, this is the best one. In terms of quality, in terms of length, it's literally the perfect length, especially for a color like this. Maybe not, for me personally, black hair and 20 inches is not the moves for me, but when it comes to a nice, cute wig like this, it is definitely a safe, like, you know, 20 inches is safe. I can't stop running my fingers through it because it's really, really soft. Like the appliance was extremely easy. I'm not really used to 4x4 lace anything except that bob wig I did in the other video, but usually it's full lace wigs. But I do find 4x4 laces easier, especially if all you want to do is a middle part and you don't really want to, you know, get into anything else. I do find it easier to deal with. Now, if there's one complaint I have, I'm not sure if it's big head friendly, because it's not tight, but my forehead, like, because of my forehead, I have to bring the wig down a couple notches, if you know what I mean. My big head ladies, I gotta bring down the wig a couple notches, and if it slides up and it stops like up here, my forehead is gonna be out for the world to see, and I do not want that to happen. So if you have a bigger head than mine or a longer head than mine, just take safety precautions and you should be straight. But I am not complete with the look yet. Right now we're gonna go in with some concealer, and also I'm not leaving it like straight, or I'm gonna put some, you know, some bounce in it in a few seconds. So yeah, stay tuned for that. All right, so I applied some foundation. I got a little bit on the hair, which is fine actually, because this time it could actually blend in compared to jet black hair. So now I'm gonna do a little bit of some work with the hot comb. Is this thing still on? Why are you not on? I'm just gonna... All right, you guys, and this is the finished look. So this is what it looks like. So this is cute. Go get you this hair. Go get you this hair. 20 inches, $130, around there. Don't quote me, I don't know. Go get you this hair, sis. go get you this hair. Besides the bob, this is definitely the best wig I've ever had, period. Like, this is a look. It takes heat really well. My curling iron just sucks, so that's why it didn't really, you know, do what I had to do. I'm glad we finished in time because these people are calling my name. So yeah, again, this hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. Let me show you the box one more time so it can get stuck in your head. Period. Period. And I know they're having a sale right now. And yeah, y'all should go shop with them. Call it a day. And I just want to personally thank you, like Beauty Forever Hair, if you ever see this video. Thank you for sending me this wig. Like, y'all got it down to the pack. Like, y'all already know what's going on. Like, this hair is amazing. I can't compliment it enough. I really can't. Like, there's nothing else for me to go into for real. Yes, there's an adjustable comb in the back of the head, but there's not an adjustable strap. Also, what else? The cap size, I'm gonna say the cap size is small. I'm not gonna say it's medium, it's small, because my head is like a medium-sized head, and it's not tight, but I feel like it could give me a little bit more room. You know what I'm saying? So, come on, where do you see it like this? All right, you guys, so that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Everything's gonna be linked down below in the description box. Shop with them, enjoy your time. Shop with me too to get popping like me, because you already know how we do it around here, period. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Bye guys. Mwah.